Hey there. Today I'm going to show you how to use Screencastify to be able to record using your webcam. So in your Chrome browser, you should have a icon right up here where your extensions are for Screencastify. It looks like this. Okay. If you hover over it, you can also see that it is for Screencastify too. Now, if you click on it, you'll come up with a menu that gives you a chance to be able to see that you have a webcam to be able to record, or you can record using your desktop, or record only just a tab that you have open on your Chrome browser. So here you're going to click to record your webcam only. And if you're talking, you can actually see the little mic symbol, a little green bar go up and down. So you'll know that it is catching the audio. And all you have to do from there is hit record. Once you are done recording, you can hit stop. And from here, what comes up on the right is a link for Google Drive. And it is a shareable link. And all you'll want to do is actually click to copy that link. And that will be a link to your video that you can give to your teachers. So that way they can actually see the video that you just recorded.